here. This is my first time at ARC. I'm from a 50 employee end user company in Cincinnati, where I handle IT and OT. So for me, being from a smaller company here feels a little bit like being a small fish in a big pond, but it's been really exciting to kind of hear and learn more about what's happening in the industry and look beyond my company. So yes, I'm definitely looking forward to coming back.
I thought ARC has been great. You know, coming in as a vendor has been an awesome experience. We come here every year, inductive automation, and it's fun to reinforce our relationships with people. But I think it's been fun to see some practical applications of AI, see some people who are actually using it to do meaningful things. And then also it's fun to see more and more focus on open standards, more and more adoption. Fun to see all the different companies that are really doing it too. So people are doing a reality of all this stuff. It's really fun.
I really enjoyed this week as every time I come to ARC. Key takeaways for me, a lot about open automation in general. So I'm happy to talk about people and see that this topic is taking more and more important within the ARC.
Thank you so much for this event, for ARC Forum, that we've been meeting a lot of our end users, also a lot of the fellow automation companies, knowing all about the OPAS and how this industry is going towards for the next phase. So it's a really great time having here. We really learned a lot, meeting a lot of friends.
My takeaway from this week was I met a lot of key decision makers that I normally wouldn't meet, had very interesting conversations. The keynote speakers were very informative, very up to date on technology.
I heard a lot of themes surrounding education, and I'm really excited to see the next generation of engineers educated about what we can do with data and artificial intelligence. So it was great to hear what all of our clients are up to. Everybody's still innovating, and I'm here for it.